Updating your payment method on Discord Nitro is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your subscription continues without interruption. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or visit the Discord website and log into your account. Step 2. Go to User Settings. Click on the Get icon located at the bottom left corner of the Discord interface to access User Settings. Step 3. Select Billing. In the User Settings menu, find and click on the Billing option. This section contains all your payment information related to Discord Nitro. Step 4. Update Payment Method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating your payment method, review your billing information to ensure everything is correct. You may receive a confirmation email regarding the changes made. By following these steps, you can easily update your payment method for Discord Nitro. Regularly checking your payment details can help avoid any issues with your subscription.